Hi, I'm Andrew Ricker. Welcome to Harbourside, a beautiful community just minutes away from St. Pete Beach. Let's check it out. Welcome to 7871 Sailboat Key Blvd, Unit 308 in South Pasadena. This corner unit offers a comfortable 1,445 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This unit is move-in ready with fresh paint and new flooring throughout, meaning you can settle in quickly and enjoy the views from day one. Step out into your enclosed patio and be captivated by the stunning water views. The kitchen boasts granite countertops and a separate dining area, perfect for prepping meals or enjoying takeout. This corner unit is part of the Harbourside community, offering resort-style amenities like pools, tennis courts, pickleball, a fitness center, and even a marina with boat slips for rent or for sale. This is a rare opportunity for waterfront living with incredible amenities. Contact me today to schedule a showing.